Shut up your mouth. If you not understand, close your mouth. Get out in my life because you nonsense what you are doing. If you are bad people, you don't have place in my life. Okay? Get out in my life. I, I'm not interested in you and I don't have time to you. Okay? Don't be a bad. Okay? Be a good. If you are bad, you don't have place in the land of